Alright, so what we've got here is a BMW 7 Series 2013, and what we've done is we fully integrated factory style CarPlay on the original screen that it comes with. So these don't come with CarPlay built in, and what we've done is we've done it on the original system. So it's running the MBT system on here, and when you press and hold down the back button, there you go, full CarPlay right on the main screen. It's fully wireless, so no wires are needed, and you can use your original controller to control the system. You can now use all your favorite apps. And yeah, all apps that are supported will work on here. All the sound will come to the original system as well. And you can always switch back to the original system by holding down the back button. There you go. So if you want this integrated on your 7 Series, see the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.